Today we're looking at synonyms for busy. If you repeat, I'm busy, I'm busy, she's busy all the time in business English, it's a little boring. So you can up your game, upgrade your vocabulary with these synonyms for busy. Let's get started. The first one is I'm swamped. If you say I'm swamped, it means I'm just completely surrounded by work. I'm kind of under my work. So a good example would be, sorry I missed your call. I've been swamped with end of quarter reports, or I've been swamped with meetings all day. Next one is tied up. If you're tied up, it means you're busy doing something else, that you can't move into a new task or help somebody out or fit something in. So I'm tied up means I'm busy, I'm not available. So a good example would be, I'm tied up in back-to-back meetings all morning. It means I have no time. I can't move anything. I'm too busy. I have no time for anything else. The next one is booked. Just like you book a hotel or you book a table at a restaurant, if you're booked, people have reserved you for certain things, or you've reserved time to do other things. Again, it means you're busy. But if you say, I'm fully booked this week, it means I have no time for anything else this week. Every single available hour of mine is full. I'm busy. Next one is in demand. And if you say I'm in demand or this team is in demand, it means I'm busy or this team is busy because we're doing so many different projects and we're in demand, so people are asking for our help. So in demand means I'm busy, or my team is busy, or my company's busy because we are good at what we do. People demand work from us. We are in demand. People are always calling us to do work. So we use this a lot with a design team or an IT team or technical support. If they're in demand, they're always busy helping people because people ask a lot of them. That's a tricky one to use. Go ahead in the comments and let me know how you would use in demand in a sentence. 3 more to go. Next one is slammed. Slam means if you take a book and you hit it down on your desk, that's a slam. So you slam. So when life gives you lots of tasks and you're really busy, I'm slammed. And so you could say we're slammed with meetings this week. Just means all these meetings have just boom come down and hit us and we're slammed. Next one is overloaded. Overloaded would be, imagine carrying, 5 massive boxes. So you can't hold any more in your hands. Plus it's really heavy. So if you're overloaded, you are busy to your max, and maybe you're a bit too busy that you can't sustain it for a long time. So if you say my calendar is overloaded with check-ins this week, it means I have too many of them. I'm at my max. Okay, and the very last one we have is I'm juggling a lot. So juggling is like in the circus, a clown with the balls and they throw them up in the air and catch them. Well, we can juggle in real life and in business English. And to juggle means every single ball would be a task or responsibility which you have. So I'm juggling a lot of deadlines right now, meaning I'm very busy with lots of deadlines. I'm working on multiple things at a time. Hopefully this was helpful.